Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI design tip is to use personalization in your web apps. So, when you're designing some web apps, mobile apps, anything, try to have lots of personalization in them. So, for example, in this music player app, we have Welcome Back Praveen here, recently played. So, your top mixes and then popular playlist. So, your heavy rotation, upcoming live events that's tailored to you. So these things are like personal to you, and whenever you come into the app, it will be just for you. You'll see your profile photo here. You'll see your name and recently played topics is a heavy rotation. Everything is tailored to you. So this will create the good or warm feeling for your users, that they're using something that's tailored to them, and it's a very nice trick to make your users come back and back to your app. So yeah, try it out. Have like lots and lots of personalization. Their name works perfectly. Everyone loves seeing their name and seeing what they did in the history, and their favorites, things like that works, and some things that that's tailored to them, that's they like. So that's front and center web that will be working great for your uh, personalization strategy. So yeah, try it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.